At the point when Lexus appeared its shaft grille on the GS and trademarked the plan in 2012, it was a certain sign the look was digging in for the long haul. It began advancing through the lineup, and now 5 model years after the fact, it's on all Lexus vehicles. The one thing everybody would all be able to concede to is, it's strong. Also, Lexus has multiplied down on the plan with the LF-1 Limitless Concept in plain view at the Detroit Auto Show. A few people clearly barely bat an eyelash at the prospect of the grille. Others have compared it to a toon character, a facial hair trimmer, or a baleen whale gathering up krill. In one unforgiving, maybe spurious feedback, an outline educator is said to have compared the axle to the mouth of the main seeker outsider in the Predator films. In a significantly more respecting spacefaring correlation, our anti-continent said the grille of the LF-1 Limited Concept mirrors a Star Wars ship's workday into hyperspace. That is a fitting similarity for the shocking and modern LF-1, which may be the absolute most significantly styled vehicle at the North American International Auto Show. Several years prior, Toyota boss originator and head of Lexus Tokyo Fukuichi safeguarded the shaft in a Reuters talk with, saying hot was an objective of the plan, and expelling protestations by saying, notwithstanding polarizing outlines, you get used to them sooner or later. That guard was a while 3 years after the new look caused a turmoil at a 2012 Toyota investors gathering, where a few investors griped. Presently it has been a while longer, and a Lexus official says the axle grille has kept on partitioning Lexus clients. Jeff Bracken, Lexus Assemble VP and General Supervisor, told CarBuzz on the sidelines of the Detroit Indicate a week ago that long-term rehash clients still can't get their heads around whatever it is the auto is by all accounts getting its mouth around. I'll be extremely straightforward. It's our marked grille. Some of our models have a more expressive marked grille than others. The people that take a gander at it as to some degree polarizing would be, generally, the people that have been with us since the start. Truth be told, I'll accept telephone calls from some of these proprietors and will truly burn through 45 minutes to an hour on the telephone with me simply communicating how disillusioned they are, Bracken said. Bracken has really been stating nearly precisely the same about the grille for a considerable length of time, both to disturb clients and to car writers, for instance, to Forbes in 2014. In any case, his say of "I'll accept calls" in this most recent statement appears to demonstrate it's as yet going on. It gives me a chance to clarify why we're going down this way, the site cites Bracken as saying. I comprehend your worry. It's an exceptionally deliberate and vital proceed onward our part. In the event that we lose some of our customary proprietors, it's agitating for us, however won't block us from moving down this way. We want to acquire than we lose. We would prefer not to lose anyone, yet. Lexus' aim with the new plan heading was to pull in new clients as the extravagance purchaser statistic began to skew more youthful. Our past picture had been that of a maker of top-notch extravagance vehicles for quite a long time. Yet, that wasn't sufficient to keep us applicable. It was essential that we delivered astounding extravagance vehicles as well as that must be tense regarding styling and forefront innovation. What's more, obviously the grille looks better on a few autos in the lineup, for example, the General Beautiful LC500, the multi-organize half and half form is Autoblog's Technology of the Year auto. Did the plan fill its planned need? Did Lexus acquire than we lose? Lexus deals in the United States developed by 40% in the vicinity of 2012 and their crest in 2015. Be that as it may, from that point forward, deals have fallen by 11%. What we don't know, and maybe no one but Lexus can, is, did some more seasoned clients repudiate their faithfulness to Lexus and purchase a German extravagance auto? Were picks up in new clients enough to legitimize any loss of old ones? Did clients, either picked up or held, purchase a Lexus in light of any number of good reasons: the brand's quality, highlights, innovation, or the way it holds its esteem while holding their nose about the nose? Numerous greater components, including incredible arrangements on extravagance autos falling off leases and Americans' affection for pickups, have affected the extravagance brands. The general droop in the car showcase, particularly, and the ascent in extravagance SUV deals has Lexus hoping to recapture that lost ground by bringing an extra SUV into its lineup, so Jeff Bracken and different Lexus metal are anxious to get the LF-1 into generation. What's more, for the present, in idea frame in any event, the LF-1 has a shaft grille. So Bracken's telephone won't not quit ringing at any point in the near future, but rather Lexus may offer a considerable measure of LF-1s notwithstanding.